As promised in the first video, I'm going to talk about a second software after Dropbox. So that is actually Windows Live Mesh. So that is also a sharing document that you can share documents across different platforms and keep them in sync, so you can access them from different locations or even on the web. So in order to get Windows Live Mesh, you just type in Windows Live Mesh, press enter. So just after through the search result, just click this link, and when you get to the particular website, you will be asked to download. So when you click download now, then you can download Windows Live Mesh. Okay, and run the software. When you run it, then you can install it. Basically, it's going to actually download Windows Live Essentials. So it's actually not only Windows Live Mesh, it will contain a bunch of software that Microsoft consider that are essentials for you. You can download all of them, or you can actually choose what you want to download. So you can see two options here: install all Windows Live Essential, and here all the things that will be installed when you click this are mentioned. Okay, let's follow the second option, and right now I have everything installed, so I cannot actually install anything, so that's why showing these programs are installed. Otherwise you will see a checkbox in front of all these programs, and you can deselect those programs that you don't want to install, and obviously select Windows Live Mesh to be installed, and then press next, and you should be done in no time. Okay, so I'm just going to press close right now because I already have those installed. I click, and so in order to see Windows Live Mesh, I just type in the search box Windows Live Mesh. It appears here after you downloaded that stuff. Then I click that particular. Right now I'm logged in, so let me just log out so you can see. Okay, so when you start the Windows Live Mesh for the first time, you will be prompted with this screen. So you have to type in a Windows Live ID in order to sign in. So in order to make use of these Windows Live Essential software, you need to have a Hotmail ID. Okay, so if you don't have a Hotmail ID, just click this sign up button, and you will be taken to a new web page where you can set up a new Hotmail ID. Okay, so just create a Windows Live ID, because that will be needed in order to access these softwares. So right now I already have that ID. I have that address, so I'm just going to use that, and I will press sign in, and now it will connect to the web, and as you can see, Mr. Anderson PC basically means my PC right now that I already working on. And if I click there are two links here: sync a folder and go to Windows Live Devices. So that will actually take me to whatever the devices that I have where I'm sharing my documents. So here I also have to log in again, and I sign in. Okay, here actually I have two devices in sync. Neo PC is actually my computer at work, and my Mr. Anderson PC is actually my computer at home. That's the laptop I'm using right now. So I like to keep my folders in sync between these two machines, so I don't have to carry them using a pen drive or have to send them through email. So I basically set up Windows Live Essential on both the machines, and I just sync the folders, automatically syncs the folder when I put it into Windows Live. Okay, so let's get back here. When you get to this particular point, right now if you see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 folders that I'm sharing with my other machine, and as you can see, when you go to that, and you can see this folder is up to date, so all the document that I may have put in here is already synced with my other machine. So let's try to sync a new folder. So I click this, and then you are prompted to select a particular folder. Suppose I want to select my pictures. I just press sync, and okay, so you will see a prompt where you want to sync this particular folder. So SkyDrive is actually a cloud-based storage provided by Microsoft. So this is also a free service if you have Windows Live account. So you can store your document online. You have like 25 gigs of storage over there. So this is also a pretty nice tool that maybe I'll discuss later about this. Okay, so right now I just want to share it with my other PC at work. So I just click that particular PC and I click OK. And here we see a new folder appear, my pictures, and it's communicating with server. And you see a little timing icon there, and now sending files. So it's trying to sync my folder with my other machine. So you can see syncs on these two machines when I click this little triangle here. And if you want to check other places, so this particular folder is synced with SkyDrive storage as well. So you can always select particular device, or you can always deselect them. Okay, so if I want to deselect this, I'm stopped sharing from SkyDrive. Okay. Alright, so I just suppose I want to update a particular folder. I make some changes to this folder. I just go to that particular folder here. Okay, in order to get to that place, just click this Windows Live Mesh, and we'll actually open again. So okay, location is this. So suppose I want to add something to this particular folder, and you want these changes to show in your work computer as well. So I just suppose I grab a document from here. Say I just copy this and go back to this location and press Control V. So this file is copied. And when you get back here, you will see this is already sending files, so you don't have to do anything. If it's already running, it will automatically sense that you have changed something in your folder, and it will automatically send the files online or to the other computer. So your folder will be in sync all the time. Okay, so you don't have to worry about, just keep on using the folder as they are, as you use them right now. So you don't have to worry about syncing those. It automatically take care of that. Okay. So this is one way of accessing your file between different computers. So when I go to other computer, I will see these folders and I can access their content seamlessly. Okay. Another way of accessing the same information is through web. So if you go to the web, Windows Live, you need to sign in there. Okay, let me sign out for right now. So you can see. Okay, so Windows Live sign in. I just put in my address and my password, and I say sign in. This will take you to a page which will show you all. Okay, so Windows Live, devices, SkyDrive, mobiles, and so I want to actually access devices. And here are my devices that I have. So in order to access a particular folder on this particular PC, I click the name of the PC, and you can see the folder that I have shared. When I click the particular folder, okay, so you can see what are the folders that are contained in that particular folder, and also the files within it. So you can access them from anywhere through online. So you don't need to be on a machine in order to access those folders. Okay, so just go back. And okay, so that's all for now.